Hello everyone. With the continuation of our founding principle, today I am here for the last but not least pillar of our founding principle called balance. Why balance is very important? We should have balance between the left and right. We cannot even stand with one leg. In our life, we need balance. If it is from my life, also in the professional life and even the society, balance is very important. Let me tell you why balance is important. With this VUCA situation, VUCA, volatility, uncertainty, complexity and ambiguity, balance is very important. In Atomy, two different kind of balance we follow. One is the balance of the values. Second one is the balance of distribution of wealth. First, if you are a direct selling member or distributor, you are already having balance in your life. You are having a balance in your professional as well as personal. You can work from your home. You can give the time for your family. Already you are having balance. If we go to your professional life, means attaching with Atomy, we are also following multiple balance. For example, we are binary. Binary is stable, two legs, it's not one leg. And you have to take care of your smaller leg. So we are taking care of balance. It is very important how you make the balance in your team. It doesn't matter bigger team or it doesn't matter older. It is very, very important keeping the balance in your team. I get lot of values from my parents. If I cannot give values to my child, then there is no balance. Similarly, from our company, the honesty and the values for running the business, if you receive, you should pass on to your team. Through the education center also we are transferring the values. So transferring the values is very, very important to keep the balance of the knowledges and values. Second point, the distributions of wealth. Our marketing plan is made such a way that the distribution of wealth is equally important for all the members. Also, if your income is increasing, you also give the tax to the government. You are balancing the country. Among our distributor, there are good speakers. There are also the speakers who need to improve lot. It doesn't matter how good you are on the stage or how good you are in speaking, but it is important how you take care with warm-hearted, how you keep the values of Atomy, how you motivate your teams through your work, through your action. Rest, our company will take care. This is because we adopted the balance system. For example, when we earn our profitability, as you know that we didn't start business in India yet, but in Korea, for example, we have profitability, but we also distribute this profit. That's why our chairman, Dr. Han Gil Park, try to always donate to the poor children through the schools, through the different activities, and this is also the balance of wealth. Not only this one, we try to buy the vegetables and distribute from the poor farmers. This is also distribution of wealth. Let me share with you one of the great example. In our office in headquarters, Korea, there is a coffee shop called His Bean, and in that coffee shop, all the people are disabled people. They take a lot of time to serve the coffee, but we happily wait for their serving. Why we have chosen those disabled person? because it is also helping to the society. By helping them, we are helping to the society. So it is a distribution of wealth. Now, as you can see that I have explained the 3 pillars of founding principle of Atomy: being, continuity, speed, and balance. And now you know why founding principle is very important for the growth. Based on this founding principle, we will run our company tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next month, next year. We will be there even next 100 years and more. That's why every element of founding principle is important. I will be coming up with a lot of news and lots of information for you. Till the time, be with us. Thank you. Namaste.